looking at factorization of quadratic expressions. Now, here are two questions we are asked to factorize, two expressions. The first one is x squared minus 16. The second question is c squared minus 49. Now, we begin with the first question, that is the A question. X squared minus 16. Now, to factorize this, what you are to simply do is to add 0 to the x squared before writing minus 16. Don't forget, add 0 to x squared before writing minus 16, meaning x squared plus 0 minus 16. Now, the next thing to do is look for two numbers, two factors that when you add them, the answer will be 0. And when you multiply them, you get minus 16. If you do that, you are going to discover that the two factors will be minus 4 plus 4. Because minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Minus 4 times 4 is equal to minus, let me have a plus here, is equal to minus 16. Minus 4 times plus 4 will give you minus 16, meaning the two numbers are minus 4 and plus 4. So we're going to replace this 0 here with these two numbers. That is to say, x squared minus 4, we attach this x that is here to these two numbers. X that is here to the two numbers. X plus 4x, then minus 16. And the next thing to do is to factorize the first two terms. Factorize this in twos or in pairs. The first two terms and factorize these terms too. Now, what is common here? If you discover, you're going to see x is here and x is also here. So we factor x out and we divide. X squared, the first term, over x minus 4x over x. You close the bracket and you check what is common here. If you discover, you are going to see it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 in bracket 4x over 4 minus 16 over 4. If you close your bracket, then you have this. We go ahead to divide. X cancels one x here. We have only one x left. X cancels x. So what you have here is x open bracket x minus 4 close the bracket. And when you come over here, have plus 4 open bracket. This 4 cancels this 4. What you have left is x minus this 4 divide this 4. All you have is 4. If you discover the first bracket is equal to the second bracket, that is to say that we are correct. The next thing to do is to write these factors as a binomial. Write these factors as a binomial, meaning x plus 4 close bracket, and pick one of these brackets, x minus 4. This is our answer to the first question. Okay, I hope we understood. The second question is c squared minus 49. Don't forget, we said the first thing to do is to add 0 to c squared before writing minus 49. That is to say c squared plus 0 minus 49. Then what you do next is look for two numbers, two factors, especially factors of 49. Two of those numbers that when you add them, you get 0. When you multiply them, you get minus 49. Now, if you check, you are going to observe that the numbers are plus 7 and minus 7. Because plus 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. And if you say minus 7 times plus 7, you are going to have minus 49. Because minus times plus is minus. 7 times 7 is 49. Now, after I've gotten this, replace this 0 with plus 7 and minus 7, and don't forget, attach your c to each of these numbers. So we have c squared plus 7 c minus 7c, then minus 49. Don't forget, anyone you decide to write first to give you the same thing. If you like, write minus 7 before plus 7, you still get the same answer. Now, after you have done that, you factorize them. To factorize means to look for what is common here and what is common here. What is common in the first two terms and what is common in the second two terms. Now, if you do that, you will discover that what is common here and here is c. So bring out the c, open a bracket, we repeat c squared divided by the c plus 7c over c, which is common. Then the next thing, minus 7c, or you check for, what is common here. The number that is common here, you discover that is minus 7. So minus 7 outside, write 7c over this 7. Then next we have minus 49 over minus 7 is common, close the bracket. Then we have c, we divide, c cancels c, you have c left, plus c cancels c, you have 7, close the bracket, minus 7, open bracket. This, if you discover, you're going to see 7 cancels 7, what you have left is c. And then you discover the c left, and don't forget there's a minus sign there. We have this, so minus divide minus, you have plus 7, close the bracket. This is what we have. Okay, so you pause it.